Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to duplicate yourself in Premiere Pro. First, set up your camera on a tripod and record 2 separate takes. In the first take, stand on one side of the frame. For the second take, move to the other side, ensuring there's an empty space in the middle. Keep your camera absolutely still between takes for the best results. This foundational step is crucial for a seamless effect. Next, bring both of your recorded clips into Adobe Premiere Pro and place them on separate video tracks in your timeline. Drag the second take onto the track directly above the first. Then, select the top clip and navigate to the Effects Controls panel. Here, you'll apply a mask to the top layer, carefully revealing the person on the bottom layer. This creates the initial illusion of two of you. Now, let's refine that mask for a perfect blend. Using the pen tool within the effects controls, draw a precise mask around one of your duplicated selves. If there's any slight movement, remember to keyframe the mask path over time to maintain accuracy. Crucially, increase the mask feather to around 10 to 20 pixels. This soft edge will help seamlessly blend the two clips, making the duplication appear natural and convincing. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Play through your entire sequence to meticulously check for any imperfections in the mask or blending. Make any necessary color corrections or adjustments to ensure both versions of yourself match perfectly in terms of lighting and tone. Once you are satisfied with the illusion, export your final video in your preferred format and resolution, ready to share your amazing duplication effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.